Hi Mohammed. So what I mean, so these icons here, if there could be like a single character space and then the green tick there. So here the green tick would be here, and here the green tick would be here. Yeah, I had a go at it, and it seemed difficult for me anyway. Hopefully not too difficult for you. So that's what I mean. And then just while I'm here, so the buttons should be, the space there should be equal on either side. So these are centered. Currently, I think they get closer together. So at this size, what am I at? 335. Yeah, look, I don't know if people are going to be viewing it less than this size, but it's probably worth making that button the same as that one. And then when it gets to there, let me know what you think. If that button should be should drop down below so that they're both centered and above each other. Maybe we don't need to worry because this is quite a small size. Let me know what you think. Yeah, I think that's it. So I'll just send this across to you now. Thanks, Mohammed.